Scientists have confirmed dogs can smell cancer, predict seizures, and detect death before any doctor can. And the most terrifying part? The signs are already happening in your home, right now. I'm Dr. Paw. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what your dog knows that you don't. The human nose has 5 million scent receptors. Your dog, 300 million. They live in a completely different world. They can smell what you ate 3 days ago, your stress hormones, even the chemical changes from disease. Cancer cells release VOCs, chemical signals in your breath, sweat, and skin. You can't smell them, your dog can. Before any machine, before any test, your dog already knows something is changing inside you. That's the difference between missing a diagnosis and catching it early. What you're about to see will change how you see your dog forever. In 2019, 4 beagles detected lung cancer from blood samples with 96.7% accuracy. That means out of 100 cancer patients, these dogs correctly identified 97 of them. For comparison, the best modern cancer screening tests, around 85% accuracy. Your dog is more accurate than the machine. Real dog owners reported their dog sniffed one specific spot on their body, obsessively, every single day. They ignored it. Thought nothing of it. Weeks passed. Then they went to a doctor for something else. And got the news no one wants to hear. Tumor. Right where the dog had been sniffing. The dog knew, weeks before any medical test could confirm it. This isn't a coincidence. This is your dog screaming at you in the only language they have. If your dog won't stop sniffing one spot on your body for weeks, please go to a doctor. That 96.7% accuracy isn't just a number, it's lives saved. The difference between a test that costs thousands and a dog who just wants to help you. Cancer detection by dogs has been peer-reviewed, published, and confirmed by multiple scientific studies. So the question isn't, can dogs detect cancer? The question is your dog trying to tell you something right now? Some dogs start acting strange 15 to 45 minutes before their owner has a seizure. They pace, they whine, they lick your hands obsessively, they won't leave your side. Pacing, back and forth, for no apparent reason. Whining, not for food, not for outside, just whining, licking your hands, over and over, trying to tell you something. Won't leave your side, follows you everywhere, even to the bathroom. Scientists believe they're detecting biochemical changes, shifts in body odor caused by the electrical storm building in your brain. Before the seizure starts, before you feel anything, your dog knows. That warning gives you time. Time to sit down, time to get safe, time to call for help. One woman in the UK said her dog saved her life. Not once, 12 times. She didn't train her dog to do this. Her dog just knew. They aren't guessing, they are sensing. This isn't special training. This isn't a magic trick. This is biology. Multiple studies have confirmed that untrained dogs can predict seizures with remarkable accuracy. Does your dog follow you everywhere for no reason? Take note, something may be changing in your body. Your dog can also smell diabetic episodes. When blood sugar drops, your body releases a chemical called isoprene. Your breath changes, your sweat changes. Your dog smells it before you feel a thing. Medical detection dogs paw their owners, lick their face, nudge their hand. Some dogs are trained to bring their owner's glucose kit. Others just know what to do. They nudge your hand toward the kitchen, toward your bag, toward help. If you or someone in your home has diabetes, watch your dog. They might already be your best medical alert system. That's 3 life-threatening conditions your dog can detect, without equipment, without labs, without costing you a penny. Diabetes alert dogs have been successfully placed with diabetic patients for over 2 decades. Is your dog staring at you more than usual? Not the love stare, the intense stare. That stare means something. Your dog is reading your chemistry in real time. Now, the one you've been waiting for. Can dogs actually sense death? Hospice workers have reported this for decades. Dogs choose one specific patient and refuse to leave. Within hours, sometimes within minutes, that patient passes. The most famous case, Oscar the cat. He predicted 100 deaths with almost perfect accuracy over 10 years. The staff knew when Oscar sat with someone, it was time to call the family. But dogs do the same thing. What are they detecting? Scientists believe the body releases specific chemical compounds in the final stages of life. As cells begin to break down, as the bubble shuts down. Your dog can smell cellular death. So if your dog won't leave a sick family member's side, don't dismiss it. Your dog is trying to tell you something. They're not being needy. They're not being difficult. They're saying goodbye. Multiple peer-reviewed studies have documented dogs' ability to detect the chemical changes associated with dying. This isn't supernatural. This isn't magic. This is biology, evolution, survival. They watch. They wait. They know something you don't.
They know. They've always known.
Cancer, seizures, diabetes, dying. Your dog can sense all of it, but only if you're paying attention. The question isn't whether your dog knows. The question is, are you listening? Your dog is trying to tell you something right now. Are you paying attention? Your dog knows. The question is, do you? So, what should you actually watch for? Here are the 5 signs your dog may be detecting something serious in your body right now. Number 1, obsessive sniffing of one specific body part, not your hand or face, one repeated spot.
Every day, same spot. That's not normal sniffing. That's investigation.
Number 2, sudden clingy behavior with no external reason. No thunderstorm, no routine change. They just won't leave you. Following you to the bathroom, sitting outside the shower, sleeping pressed against your legs. Number 3, pawing at you repeatedly while making eye contact. They're trying to communicate. Not playing, not asking for a treat, pawing, staring, repeating. Number 4, whining or low growling while staring at one person, even someone who seems perfectly healthy. Number 5, sitting with their head on a specific person's lap for hours, especially someone elderly or ill.
They won't leave. They won't eat. They're not being stubborn. They're being a guardian.
None of these are proof of anything, but every single one is your dog trying to speak. They can't say the words. This is how they tell you something is wrong. The question is, are you listening? Your dog is speaking to you right now. Are you listening? Your dog is not just a pet. They are the most sophisticated early warning system ever created by nature. Before MRI machines, before blood tests, before any doctor's appointment, your dog already knows. Drop a comment below. Has your dog ever done any of these things? Did they end up being right? I read every single one. Subscribe to PawAlert for more videos about what your dog wishes you knew. Share this video with someone you love. Their dog might be trying to tell them something too. This is PawAlert, helping you understand what your dog already knows. I'm Dr. Paw. Stay healthy and listen to your dog. Your dog is trying to tell you something. Are you listening? They love you. They watch over you. They know.